my voice, if you can see my screen, hear my voice, say hello, that you can see my screen. If you can see my screen and hear my voice. All right. If you can see my screen, type in the comment section that I can see your screen. I've not seen anyone online. If you can see my screen, kindly comment, I can see your screen. Kindly comment, I can see your screen. If you can see my screen, comment, I can see your screen. All right, Kayode, I can see Kayode. I can see Kayode Odulami. You're welcome, Kayode. Wow. So let's wait for few people to join us and we can so that we can start. Right? So that we can start. You're welcome, Kayode. So I can only say Kayode here. I can only see Kayode. So wait for a few people, wait for a few seconds or a few minutes for others to join and we start. All right. So we are waiting. We are waiting. All right. So we are waiting. All right. Good. I can see Coyote. Coyote's good, 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 good. This is awesome. Coyote can hear my voice. So I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting, right? I'm waiting. So we're gonna wait for two, three people, two, three persons to join us, and then we start. We can't wait for others. And I don't think I'm gonna this video. I don't think I'm gonna record it, right? So for those that will be benefiting, congratulations to you in advance. So I'm expecting more people to join us, right? So while we wait for them, yes, Kelly, thank you. You can see my screen. All right, guys, if you can see my screen, if you've joined and you can see my screen, type you can see my screen. The only person I can see here is Odunlami, right? Odunlami say you can see my screen. So others, I'm expecting you. Also, we have like 5 people. Then we'll start. 5 to 10 to join. Then we're going to start the class. Okay, okay. Comment section not showing what's happening. Comment section should show because I can see only Odunlami comment here. All right, all right. Ajibola, I can see Ajibola. Ajibola can see my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen and can hear my voice. It's very important. Welcome, Ajibola. Welcome, Ajibola. All right, Comfort. You welcome, Comfort. Welcome, Comfort. Welcome, Ajibola. Great. Shinozo, you welcome. So, we're expecting 2 more persons to join, then we kickstart. I can see Ajibola, I can see Comfort, I can see Odunlami, Shinomso, good. You're welcome. You're welcome all. All right, guys. Actually, I'm just returning from office now. I'm so tired, but I have to just do this because it's a promise, right? Um, so um, should we start now or still wait for a few minutes for others to join? So I want to hear if we should start right now or we should wait for others to join, for like 2 persons to join us, then we can start. So if you want that, let me know. If you want us to start right away, I'm ready. So just say, just put in the comment section that you want us to start right away. All right, all right. So some people are saying they can't comment. Right. Oh, this is terrible. But right here, I can see some other people's comments. Okay, let's go. Ajibala said we should go. Right. So I welcome everyone to this section tonight, and I promise it's going to be awesome. Like I said yesterday was we started this class yesterday, but unfortunately we could not complete the class. And today, by His grace, we're going to round up, right? And I want to assure you something. At the end of this program, every one of you will be able to set up an internet-based business that keep paying you every day with just 1 to 2 hours work a day, and that's the promise, right? Now, what I want us to do now is I want to know if you've created those accounts that I said yesterday. And before that, I want to quickly do a recap of what we talked about yesterday. Now, yesterday I talked about your mindset, because when you talk about making money is like 95% mindset, right? And the 5% is strategy, right? So that's why it's very important that your mindset is key to your success. in any business or in life generally. So we talk about how people make money. Now we said that making money basically involve exchange of value. You know, money is a byproduct of value creation. So if you want to make money, look for something people want and give it to them. Give it to them. You collect money from it. You get it now. If you want to cook now, you go to the market. You pay the market seller the money. You are happy that he gave you the pepper, and the pepper seller will be happy that I'm able to make money by selling my pepper. So exactly what we're doing. So what we're doing here is to create a product, a digital product. And I explained what digital product is yesterday. I said digital product is any product that can be accessed via digital means or via internet. Take for instance, it can be digital product can be in form of a course, a training program, an ebook, um, a software, an audio, etc. So these are digital products. And the one we'll be focusing on, basically, like I said, is digital product. It's going to be a video, it's going to be an ebook. And I said that the tools that we're going to be using to create all these things are free. We're going to be using AI. Yesterday, we started using AI, but I don't know. We couldn't complete that. I'm going to show you how to use the AI. And also yesterday, I talked about um, I talked about the how to know what product to create, right? I talked about what product to create, and I said for you to make money, really, you just need like three things, right? Now you need the hot selling product. You need hot product. Hot product means the products that solve people's problem. You understand? The product that people want. And I try to paint a scenario of ice cream and salt, right? That salt, people need salt, right? We all need salt. Why people want ice cream? And I said, out of these two, which one can you pay more for? If somebody says you go and buy a cup of salt for 50,000 naira, will you buy it? I guess you will not, right? But if they say you go and buy this ice cream for 50,000 naira, yes, there's still a way they can persuade you, then you're going to buy it. But that's what you want, right? So, and I said we have three things that we're going to be covering: hot products, how to target the people that will buy the product, and how to create a sales funnel. You get my point now. So that's what we talked about yesterday, right? And let me check my where we stopped yesterday was can anyone remind me where we stopped yesterday? Type it in the comment section if you can hear me. Where we stopped yesterday. All right, can you guys hear me? Let me know if you can hear me, please. If you can hear me, let me know. Right? Let me know if you can hear me. What's good? Let me know if you guys can hear me, so that I will be sure that I'm not talking to myself. Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Please comment, let me see your stuffs in the comment section. If you can hear me, let me know. If you can hear me, let me know, please. I'm trying to check what's happening. I can't see any comment here. I can't see any comment here. I can't see any comment here. If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section. Oh, because I have to be sure. I have to be sure you can hear me. That's why. Uh, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ajibola. I can see. So I can proceed now. Now, what I was saying was that there are three things that you need. There are three parts to this class. The first part is to create the alt product. Second part is to create the sales funnel, right? The sales funnel is the system that you build that your customer flow through before that your prospect flow through before they convert or before they become a customer, right? Because they pay before they pay you. Now the third part is to generate traffic, right? And those are the three things that we'll be discussing this night, right? Good. So now we stopped at creating hot selling products, right? Now, and I said there are three ways to go about this. The first one is to create this product yourself, which I'm going to show you how to do right away. And the second part is to get a reseller right, right? A reseller right. A reseller right is like a system that somebody has created this product and the person will now give you rights to sell it. And you can use that also as your name. You can put your name on it as if you are the creator of that product. Do you get it? Do you get the point now? And you'll have heard about white label, right? Right? White label product. White label product is like a reseller right that a product is the manufacture the product, right? The manufacture the product and you buy the product like that and you now print your name on it as if you are the manufacturer. Well, that's the second part. The third part is to sell other people's products, right? Then down, you sell other people's products for a commission, right? Now, selling other people for a commission like this, the third one, you right there, you can know what product is selling. You get it now, and you can just partner with the owner of it, and you tell the person you're going to help the person sell, and you make money from it without you doing anything. You will not need to create a sales page. You don't need to create a sales funnel. You don't need to. You will not need a customer service, right? And you don't need to process any transaction. Your own is that the money remains to your bank account. Do you get it now? But I'm going to be showing you later. We're going to be discussing. Later we're going to be discussing the number two, get the reseller rights, right? You can even easily go to idplr.com. You get free product there, right? Then I'm going to show you also how to sell other people's products. But this too will be for those that that are serious among everyone that is here because everybody here has different objectives, right? So now, how do you create alt selling products? Number one, I said you're going to search on Google, right? And then you search what people are looking for, those problems they want to solve, right? And you package it as a solution to them. Then you sell it to them. So I said how to do that is you go to ChatGPT, right? Okay, let's do the practical. So So I said this is how. I don't want us to waste much time because I talked about this yesterday. Do you get a point now? I talked about this yesterday. So what I'm going to do is that let me go to my chat GPT. Let me go to my chat GPT. So I said you're going to look for a problem and then you package the answer as an ebook or a course. And okay. All right. Then I said you're going to use ChatGPT to create your course. Right. So now the first thing we need to do here is, let me bring up this one on my screen. But if you can see my screen, let me know, please. If you can see my screen, let me know. If you can see my screen here, let me know. to stage. All right, guys. But I few people said they can't hear me. What's happening? Can you hear me now? Can you guys hear me now? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, let me know. If you can hear me, let me know. If you can hear me, let me know. If you can hear me now, let me know. Guys, can you hear me now? Can you guys hear me? You guys hear me? Oh, good. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Um, somebody said you can hear me now. Good. I think if one person can hear, I guess other people should hear me. Right. Now I said the second part is you. Oh, thank you, Ajibola. Thank you very much. You can hear me now. So now the second part of this, after you've copied the chapters, right, is to write to generate content per chapter. Do you get it now? To generate content per chapter. Do you get it? So now what I'm going to do, let me go back to my screen. Let me go back to my ChatGPT so that I can see it live. All right, let me go back to ChatGPT. How they cannot hear me again? What's happening? What's happening? Oh, good. Thank you. For others, I guess people can hear me. So why? All right, if you can hear me, just signify so that we can move on. What we have a lot to cover, and we're almost 20 to 30 minutes to the class. So now the next thing you need to do, let me share my ChatGPT screen. Let me share my ChatGPT screen. So the next thing to do is to come to ChatGPT and say, write, right, write, um, you can say write about chapter one. Oh, sorry, this just copy that. I'm gonna delete it. So okay, so here, so I'm telling ChatGPT to write about chapter one, that is understanding your menstrual cycle, right? So here, so I'm going to press enter and look at ChatGPT. It's going to write that for us. You can see ChatGPT is doing its job. So the guy is doing his job for us. You can see. So he's writing it for us, right? So you read it. If you are not too clear about it, you tell ChatGPT that you should rewrite. You can come to this button here, regenerate. So it's going to regenerate the content for you. I think you got my point, right? So that is how to do that. You do that for each chapter of your book. You get it? Each chapter of your book. Then after you are done, you copy it again. You copy those ones that you want, right? Since you are okay, you've read through it and you're okay, with it. So you copy it and you go back to your Microsoft, you go back to your Google Doc, you go back to your Google Doc and you place that there, right? You place it there. So after you're done for all of this, the next thing you need to do is to format it, is to edit it. Now, this is what I mean. Let me show you that screen so that you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, somebody is saying that can I recap that I couldn't get what I was saying about the chapters. So what I said was that you copy the chapter, let's say chapter 1, right? You know, you need content for chapter 1. So what you do is that you just follow this, write about chapter 1, you copy it. You don't need to be typing it. Just copy that particular chapter, the particular chapter you want to generate content on, and write about the chapter. Enter. ChatGPT will write everything for you. Everything for you. So after after you have finished writing it, you copy it, then you go back to your Word document and go and paste it there. That's what I said. So after you have pasted it there, you've done for all chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, right? Then you now edit and format. So I'm going to show you the brief of that now because of time. So let me pull out my my Google Doc. Then put out my Google Doc so that you can see it. Then put out my Google Doc. Where's that again? Okay. Google Doc. So, all right. So now this is my Google Doc, and this is what ChatGPT has been able to generate for me. So what I will do here, first thing, let me name this my document, right? I can name it the name of the product, how to avoid pregnancy, right? You also say pregnancy, right? So that's the name of the dog. So I'm talking about formatting. Now I have to make it more presentable. So what I will do here is I can say table of contents, this table of contents, content, right? So right here, I can put the title of the book or the course. It might be the course, it might be a book, it might be an audio. The most important thing is the content. So when you generate the content, you can make it in any form you want. You get it? It can be Hebrew, it can be audio, it can be video, right? So so that is that about this guy. Sorry. I think you can still hear me. So I can just come here and just do this, right? Sorry. So you put that. It's showing this because of this guy. Okay. So this is it. Okay. So make it bold. Then so you can make it capital letter, right? You can change this to capital letter, centralize it, right? Now all these ones, so that we use a basic computer knowledge, just do all this, format it, and we proceed, right? So you do that for, you generate content for this birth control method, you do that for lifestyle method, You do that for stress management and so on till you get to chapter 10. Right. So when you are done with this, what it means is that the next thing you need to do, you have to now package it, right? And ready to dispatch it to the buyer. So what you're going to do is that you come to file, right? Then you come to file, scroll down. Sorry, if you can hear me, let me know so that I will not just be talking to myself. Kyle, they say I should recap, but I've recapped, right? I've recapped, please. So now, if you can hear me, just let me know so that we can proceed. So that we can proceed. If you can hear me, let me know so that we will continue. So if you can hear me, let me know. Let me know. If you can hear me, let me know. All right, guys. So, yes. Now, where we stop is where I said after you've formatted your book or your course, you've read it and it makes sense to you. The next thing you need to do is to package it. You get it? Is to package it. So when you package it, I put the step-by-step guide here. Let me bring that to stage and see. So I put it right here. If you can see the screen, if you can see the screen, right? If you can see the screen, I put it right here. So I'm going to send you. So I'm going to send you. I'm going to send you. I'm going to send you this document, right? So the next thing is to make it a package. So what you do is, okay, thank you. So let me bring back that uh, my Google my Google Doc. So you can see my Google Doc now. Now what you need to do is that after you finish editing, it makes sense to you, then you want to package it now, right? Is you just come to this place and come to download, right? Then from this download, points to you see PDF. So just click on PDF, right? Click on PDF. It's going to make this product a PDF file. You get it? It's going to make it a PDF file. So now let me quickly see the what we downloaded. Okay, still downloading. So good. So this is what we created, right? So after you've done that, it means that your product is ready. Now the next thing now is that how will you send it out to people that make payments? I'm going to come there, right? Now, can you see my screen? Let me show you this. Let me show you this. Okay. So after you are done with that, right? So I'm going to come back to my page, and this is it. Let me add that to the screen so that you can see what we downloaded. Okay. So as you can see, this is what we downloaded, this file, and this is what we'll send to people that purchase our products, right? Now, after you are done with this one, so what we need next is to generate a link in which we're going to be sending to people that pay us so that they can directly have access to it. You remember I told you that you have to create seller.co. So if you've created that seller.co, please let me see in the comment section. If you've created seller.co, let me see in the comment section. If you've downloaded you've created seller.co, let me know in the comment section. So right, let me know before I proceed. So the next thing we're going to be talking about is creating our sales funnel. Now, creating sales funnel is the key thing in internet business. You need to have a funnel, right? A funnel, you need to have a funnel. So after you've created this, okay. So before we go to create funnel creation, let me quickly show you this. Now, the same ebook that you created, you can convert it to a course and people will still buy. You get it now? So how do you create video of this? Now you can use your phone camera and probably talk to the camera, right? Or you use an AI. So I'm going to show you this powerful AI that can create your video for you, and you can have an image even if you don't want to show your face, right? Even if you don't want to show your face. But I want you to use the comment section on the screen to respond to me, please. Okay, good. Kayode said, seller did not do in your case. What happened? Seller.co doesn't have any issue now. It's a free platform, right? So let me quickly introduce you to this AI. So I'm not gonna dwell much on it, right? Just go to this site, herjane.com. So let me quickly show it. Let me show you. No time. Oh, seriously, I just want to help you guys. Okay, let me show you the AJ. This is Herjane. Can you see my screen, guys? Can you see my screen? Oh, great. So this is a G platform, right? So you need to go there and create a free account. Go there, create a free account. I think you can see my screen now, right? Go to that website and create a free account. So I'm not going to dwell much on this. What this guy does for you, it helps you create your videos, right? So how do you make use of this? You can come to this, you see template, you click on template. When you click on template, it shows you different templates that you can use, right? You can create an instant avatar, right? Like for instance now, I can create a demo like this one, right? And it's going to create a video like this for me. Look at this. This is an AI. This is not a human being. Can you see the power of AI? Sorry, I closed that. I think you can see this. I think you can see this. A few people said they can't hear me. What's happening? Can you hear me now? Can you hear? All right, so look at it.
Hey, welcome to HeyJane. This is Josh, HeyJane CEO. This is my instant avatar. Feel free to play with it. Hope you like it. Your instant avatar can totally be the same quality or even better.
All right. So
simply follow my instructions when creating it. Can't wait to see your amazing avatar come.
So that's it. You can just go around, walk around with it, and you create your video. So that's all about that. Because of time, I will not be able to show you how to make use of this. Right. So let me pull up the screen, and okay. So all right. So I told you to go create a seller account, and I believe every one of you have done that. So what you need to do is let me show you seller accounts that I just set up for this course. So where? So I'm going to click on this. So you can see this is how seller look like, right? Seller help you. What seller does is that they help you to host your digital products, and they also help you collect money from your customer, right? So when they help you, let's say for instance, I want to sell to international markets, and probably exchange rate and stuff like that is an issue. So Stellar come handy. They help you collect your money, and they help you send your product to them. Do you get it now? So to create seller account is 100% free. That is a premium version. And also, um, seller also have an affiliate account. So when you create your product, you can put your product in the affiliate network so that affiliate can help you promote your product and you make money. The affiliate make money with it, right? So in those that will be working with us, it's not everyone here that might pick or that will work with me. So I'm going to show them how to make crazy money with affiliate marketing, right? So you don't need to create any product, right? That's by the way. So you can come to seller and probably I'll sign up if you have uh just sign up. I don't know why Kayode said you could not create um you could not create what's it called? You could not create seller accounts. I don't know. So but that's that. Go to seller, create account, and that's that, right? Then the next thing on my list for you is is okay. Let me check it. Right. So now at this point, we've been able to create our outselling product. We make use of Google, then we get the solution. We ask. Now I said there are two ways or three ways to get the solution to every specific problem your customer wants to solve. Is that you get an expert, or you use an AI, or you interview somebody that has experienced such thing before, right? Then you use artificial intelligence to generate your content, then you format it, you package it, and we've done all this. I think you get my point. And I said the last one is that you have to package it on your Google Drive, then generate the link, right? I guess every one of us should know how to do that. Google has a free cloud storage that you can store your digital assets. Do you get it now? So what you need to do is to upload that your digital product into your Google Drive. It's just like you are saving in your flash drive or in your memory card. So if any customer need it, there's a link for them to access it, and Google help you secure your product. I think you get my point. So that's that. Now the next thing here is the phase two the of this class. The phase two entails sales funnel creation, right? Now, sales funnel creation involves you having a website. And for you to have a website, you will need a domain and hosting. But seriously, what I told you earlier was that you don't need any money to start this business. And I mean it. So, but if you said you want to have a domain name, you want to have your own website, then you need money to buy a domain name and to buy an hosting package. But if you don't have money, right? But the one I prefer is being in control. Have your assets yourself, right? Now, if you don't have money or you are on a low budget, then use systemi.io. Do you get it? Use systemi.io. And I told you to open systemi.io account. They have a free account. It's a free account. It's a complete um, funnel creation software. So let me quickly share that with you. Let me quickly share that with you. Systemi.io. Let me quickly share that with you. Systemi.io. Oh, where is that? Okay, good. All right. This is systemi.io. Systemi.io is a funnel creation platform. Is a blog platform. You get it? That help you house every stages of your internet business, and it is free. Do you get it? So if you've created that's a good one for you. So, but what we need here is sales funnel. We want to create a sales funnel. So let me quickly show you, walk you through this. Now, on system.io, if you've logged in, you come to this funnel, right? Click on this funnel. It's going to take you to an environment like this. Because for this class, I just created this particular funnel, right? I have created this particular funnel, but let's see what it looked like. Let me view it and you see what it looked like. You might have seen something like this before, but because of time, I might not be able to show you all this, how to do this. Probably those that I'll be working with, I'm going to show them that. Now, look at this. This is a free book that I'm giving people, right, to sell a particular course. Do you get it now? So what happened is that I give people a free information so that I can build what we call the marketing KLT factor, right? I give them something for free so that we can be friends, right? So when they go through my content and they love it, they might buy whatever I'm selling. Do you get the point now? So I'm giving them this book for free, right? So systemi.io helped me do this. So they'll come in, they put their email, their name, and the phone number. And if they click on send me the ebook, automatically, right, the book will be sent to them. And here, their contact will be saved on my database. Do you get it now? So that's it. How do you create this? I'm going to show you in a moment. So do you guys understand what I'm talking about? Do you guys understand what I'm talking about? If you understand what I'm talking about, let me know, right? Even this, okay. The systemi.io. All right. If you guys understand what I'm talking about, let me hear you. Let me hear you. Okay. Now, this is the funnel that I'm talking about. So from my advert, I'm advertising this book, right? It's a free book that I'm giving people. They land on this page. And when they land on this page, the only mission is for them to get this book. And for me to be able to send them this book, they need to give me their email and their phone number. So why do I need this? I need this so that I can sell the real product to them, or I can follow up on them. Do you get the point now? So systeme.io help me do this. Do you get the point now? So, and another thing is that you can see the example of what I'm talking about if you go to my own personal website, right? If you go to my personal website, let me type it here. I'm going to show it on the screen, and you're going to see it. Okay, you're going to see it. Let me just talk to bolaji.com. So, this, I'm going to stop this, come to this side. So we might round up any moment from now. So okay. So every one of you that is on this meeting now, go to this website and quickly sign up so that you can get what I'm talking about. Okay, you can see this. Right now, this is my personal website, right? You can see talktobolaji.com.ng. Now, if you sign up here, I'm going to send you a gift, right? Now, these are the things that you're going to be hearing from me. You get a point now. So this is a funnel, right? Because when you sign up here, when I have any information for you, I send it to you. If I have any free thing for you, if I have something to sell to you, so I'm going to send it through this, provided you've sent me your email details. So I want everyone to go to this and sign up for my newsletter. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, let's proceed. So now we've been able to talk about how to create our products, right? We've been able to talk about